Hello, it is me, Unicorn. I am here to read you a book, and I have some friends with me. I have Owliver. Hello, Oliver. Who? You, Oliver. Who? You, Oliver. Who? Okay. Moving right along, I have another friend of mine, Unique Corn. I know I am Unicorn, but I have a friend named Unique Corn. Say hello. 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 It is so good to see you today. You definitely are unique, Corn. Well, thank you so much. That is the most beautiful compliment I have ever heard in my life. Oh, you're welcome. Now it's time for our book. Piglets Night Lights. Ooh, this looks fun. Very fun. It was twilight in the 100-acre wood when Winnie the Pooh knocked on his good friend Piglet's door, who was carrying a backpack with an enormous pot of honey. Ooh, yummy. It was sticking out of the top. Are you ready to go out camping, Piglet? Pooh called. Ooh, Piglets. Piglet opened the door and looked around nervously. Are you really quite sure about this, Pooh? He asked. It's getting awfully dark out there, and it's so light and cozy in here. Maybe we could just camp out in my living room. That's not camping. That's a slumber party. Oh, he's so silly, that guy. Oh my goodness. Who? Piglet. Who? Piglet. Who? Moving right along. That would be a camp in, Piglet, not a camp out, said Pooh. Pooh remembered Piglet that their friends were waiting for them, reminded Piglet that their friends were waiting for them out at the campsite. Everyone will be there, Piglet, Pooh said. It's going to be splendid. Piglet looked scared. What do you think? Who? Moving right along. Pooh offered to help Piglet get ready. Pooh stuffed haycorn muffins. Ooh, haycorn muffins. What are those? Muffins? Oh, okay. Pooh stuffed haycorn muffins into the pockets of Piglet's backpack, while Piglet neatly packed his favorite blanket and teddy bear. Oh, I have a favorite teddy bear. Who's that? It's Tiny. Oh, Tiny, your teddy bear. That's so cute. Who? Moving right along. I'm forgetting something, Pooh, Piglet said. Well, let's see, Pooh said. We have honey. Pooh patted this sticky honey pot with his pack. And we have plenty of haycorn muffins. Just to be sure, Pooh tucked two more particularly plump ones in next to Piglet's teddy bear. What else could we possibly need? What do you think? Maybe some lollipops? Who? Exactly. Pooh and Piglet started for the campsite, and they walked. As they walked, it got darker and darker. Piglet got more and more nervous. What's that? Piglet asked suddenly, pointing at a scary-looking shape in the trees. Well, I'm not certain, Piglet, Pooh said. He was beginning to get a little bit nervous himself. Maybe if we snuggle up next to each other, it will go away, Pooh said. Yeah, let's snuggle. Snuggle time. Snuggle time. Snuggle time. Oh, yeah, snuggle times. Maybe we should close our eyes, too, Piglet suggested. Oh, oh. Hello there, called a voice from above. Piglet and Pooh both jumped, startled. Who's there? Pooh asked, looking up in the tree. All Pooh could see were two round, unblinking eyes staring down at them. Why, it's me, Owl. Who? Thought you two might need a little bit of help finding the others, Owl said. We owls can see quite well at night, you know. Oh, thank you, Owl, Piglet said. Yay! Yay! Lead on, said Pooh, who was now feeling quite brave. And why wouldn't you with such a good friend like that helping you out? Exactly. By the time the friends reached campsite, it was completely dark. Pooh bumped into Rabbit, who was struggling to put up the tent. Well, don't just stand there, Rabbit said. I need all the help I can get. Okay. Do I hear someone say help? It's Tigger! He bounced into the clearing. Have no fear, Tigger's here with illumination, he said proudly. Ooh. Oh, and you brought a light too, Piglet cried, peeking out from the blanket of his hooded jacket. Oh, thank you. When the lantern lighting with the lantern lighting the scene, the friends set up the tent. Piglet climbed inside and then poked his head out. Oh no, Piglet cried. I forgot my nightlight. Oh no. Oh no. I can't sleep without my nightlight, Piglet said, wiggling his hands. What am I going to do? It's okay, Piglet. It's okay. Don't worry, buddy boy, Tigger said. You can use my lantern as a nightlight. Just then the lantern sputtered and went out. Oh no. On second thought, Tigger said, diving into the tent to dig through the stuff in Rabbit's pack. Long ears must have something we can use. In Rabbit's pack, Tigger found a kite, a flower pot, a kitchen pans. He found garden tools and a bicorn. At the very bottom, he found a flashlight. Yay! Tigger tried to turn it on, but nothing happened. This thingamabob's not working either, Tigger cried. Oh no, that's a flashlight. That's a lantern. At that moment, there was a crashing in the nearby bushes. It was Eeyore carrying a load of branches on his back. Can't have a camp out without a campfire, Eeyore said. Everyone agreed wholeheartedly, and soon a cheerful fire was burning. Fire certainly is pleasant, Piglet said. It makes a very good sort of light. It does a fantastical job of cooking marshmallowies, too, Tigger said. Hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Wrestling with a particular gooey marshmallow. It's gooey. That's a gooey. Gooier than my lollipops. It's gooey. Fire is fine, Rabbit said, but I think sunshine is the best light of all because it makes the vegetables grow. Ooh, and I love to eat them. I like the way the sun warms my tummy when I lie on the grass, Pooh said. And the colors when the sun sets are splendid, Piglet said. Ah. Look at that suspiciously looking shadow in the tent, Tigger shouted. It looks like it's got your tail, said Rabbit. Guess what it is, Rabbit said, fluttering his hands like a butterfly. Why, it's a shadow puppet, Owl said. Isn't it reminding of what light can do? Hmm, why don't we make some shadow puppets? Yeah. I got one. What's that? That's a butterfly. Wow, very nice. Oh, look, it's a rabbit. Oh, I see. All right, that's enough. That was fun. We should make shadow puppets again. Yeah. Oh, ooh. Oh, you. The friends played shadow puppets until bedtime. Then everyone went to bed except Piglet, who wouldn't leave the light of the fire, and Pooh, who wouldn't leave his friend. I understand that. Me too. Yeah. I'd never leave my lollipops for nothing. Wonder why. Haha, right? Who? Oh, carrying on. After a short while, the fire faded and went out. Maybe we should go to sleep now, Piglet, Pooh said, yawning. I can't sleep without my nightlight, Pooh. Piglet replied sadly. Pooh thought very hard. Think, think, think. He tapped his forehead to wake up the ideas that he might be having. It might be in there somewhere. Just then, fireflies landed right between Pooh's eyes, crossing his eyes to see it. Pooh tumbled backwards off the log he was sitting on. Lying on his back, Pooh looked up at the night sky. Pooh had an idea. The stars are the night lights, Pooh. Piglet, Pooh said, pointing up at the sparkling stars. And so are the fireflies, he added, smiling as the second one settled on his nose. Yeah, don't ever be scared, even at night. The stars and the fireflies are always with you. There's always light, even if you can't see it. It's always there. Sometimes you just gotta look a little harder. Sometimes you just gotta look inside you. Piglet looked all around. You're right, Pooh, Piglet cried. There are night lights everywhere. Piglet pointed to the long path of moonlit shining on the surface of the lake. All that moonlight, all that starlight, all that firelight. Look at how bright the moon is tonight, Piglet said. It's even brighter than my own nightlight. Do you think you might be able to sleep now, Piglet? Asked Pooh with a big yawn. But Piglet didn't answer. He just snored. He was fast asleep. Oh, yeah, I understand. It can be difficult to sleep when you're scared. I can't do it. But remember, there's light all around you, even if you can't see it. They're in the stars. The sun and the moon are somewhere, even if you don't see them. And there's always light inside of you. Fun to learn activity. I certainly saw different kinds of lights out at our campout. There was everything from lanterns to fireflies. Can you think of different kinds of lights inside and outside your house? What are they? You. They are you. You firefly. The end.